Hi guys, as you can see here in Africa, it's raining in January, where we usually have sunshine all night, all day long. As you can see there, that is the rain. It's raining here in January. As you can see there, that is the rain. It's a dark cloud that is here in Africa. So this is a mystery that we are still serving. It's a mystery that we are having here in Africa. I hope you will enjoy watching this video. Usually it is always hot, exactly 35 degrees Celsius, but you can see in January we are having rain. So guys, this I consider it a mystery here in Africa. Hi guys, this is the dark cloud found in Africa. It's raining in January for the first time. It's nothing that we have been experiencing through the seasons, but at this time it has happened in Africa. This is raining in January. It is raining, as you can see, in January. It's the first time in Africa. So guys, continue subscribing to this channel. Shall be covering everything in Africa. The cloud, the thunderstorms in January. This means there is change in season. There is a change in everything. See, rain is falling.